Hello Kickstarter, my name is Darius and I think we have a furniture problem. Over the past decades, furniture has become cheaper. But this usually means that we buy something that looks like wood, but will probably fail within a couple of years. It's mostly products that are made of something like this, or this, or this. It's mostly wood fibers stuck together with glue. It generates a cheaper material with a shorter lifespan. We at Minimalist seek to build long-lasting hardwood furniture with a minimalist and timeless design and a touch of technology. Our first two products are a bookshelf and a bedside table, two pieces of furniture where every detail has been carefully crafted. First, our shelf. Its steel powder-coated matte black two-column easy-to-build assembly holds 6 solid wood boards in place. Our design allows for a variable length to suit a small space or a long wall in your apartment. Every shelf is made in a 3/4 inch finely assembled solid wood board, strong enough to hold your Britannica. It comes with custom, easy-to-adjust bookends that allow you to configure your shelf to your liking, whether to hold your favorite books or your most precious possessions. It comes in 2 colors, ash and pink trumpet tree. Next up, our bedside table. Our column design allows for quick assembly, with an all-metal structure strong enough to hold a random individual. All of our metal parts are powder-coated, ensuring a long-lasting paint finish that will be easy to clean and will handle time like a champ. Our open drawer allows for a full-size 15-inch laptop to hide discreetly. The polyurethane matte finish ensures that a spill won't damage the surface, all the while providing a natural look and feel of real wood. And no corner in the bottom will keep your pinky safe. But the real treat is that both pieces of furniture are designed for wireless charging. We use precision CNC machines to carve the right geometry to fit most wireless chargers out there. We use magnets to attach and hide cables, along with carefully placed cuts for cable management. All of this leaving you with a concealed charger beneath a solid wood surface, so you can charge your phone just by laying it down, in your bedroom, in your living room. We have built several prototypes, evaluated woods, finishes, sizes, carvings, and more. Our product is ready for production, but we are here with the Kickstarter community because we need your help. We want to acquire larger CNC equipment so we can work faster, and also we want to buy materials in bulk with our suppliers so we can ramp up production and sell real wood furniture at a price that is fair. We are a small team that wants to build some of the best furniture out there. Furniture that is convenient, technological, and most importantly, honest furniture that lasts. Join us in making it possible.